Lite, and let me show you how to set up a wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select home screen and wallpaper. And now you have to choose the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. So it can be some magazine unlock, some themes, wallpaper. So let me, for example, pick wallpaper, and it can be this one. If you would like to confirm that this one is good for your screen, just tap on OK icon. Here you have to decide if this picture should cover just your lock screen, your home screen, or maybe both of them. Let me pick the third option. Just give your device a few seconds to set it up. And since now your home screen and your lock screen is updated. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.